Welcome back, tech enthusiasts and digital dreamers. Today, we're embarking on an adventure into the future, where AI meets 3D in a dance of digital creation. You're tuned into AutoGPT Tutorials, where innovation comes to play. We've got an electrifying lineup showcasing the latest in AI and 3D marvels. From characters that hop out of your text messages into the 3D realm, to videos that draft themselves, we're peeling back the curtain on the magic behind these cutting-edge projects. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech wizard to grasp these wonders. So whether you're a budding developer, a creative soul, or simply in awe of the endless possibilities of AI, stick around. We're about to unfold stories where characters are born from mere words, and static images burst into life with motion and depth. This is not just the future, it's the present, and it's incredibly exciting. Grab your virtual reality goggles, or just a comfy seat, as we dive into new release AI and 3D projects. Get ready to be amazed by how your sentences can now sculpt the digital world. Project number 1. Make text-to-3D character. Let's start with something that seems straight out of a sci-fi novel. Picture this. You type a description, and like a genie granting a wish, out pops a fully realized 3D character. This isn't fantasy, it's the reality with Make a Character, or MACH for short. Crafted by the innovators at Alibaba Group, MACH is a breakthrough in character creation. It's like having a digital sculptor at your fingertips. Want a heroic knight with armor shining under the twilight sky? Or maybe a quirky robot with a heart of gold? Just describe it, and MACH brings it to life. What's truly remarkable is the control you have. Every curl of hair, twitch of a smile, or swish of a garment is yours to dictate. And these aren't just static statues. These characters can move and groove, ready to be cast in your next animated film or video game. But it's not just about the cool factor. MACH is a game changer for industries. Imagine game developers populating entire worlds in days, not months. Or filmmakers sketching out a cast without ever touching clay or a costume. The magic of MACH lies in its foundation of real human scans, top-notch rendering techniques, and the versatility of skeletal rigs. Whether it's for the silver screen or your mobile screen, the potential is limitless. With MACH, the barrier between imagination and digital reality blurs. It's a testament to how AI isn't just about cold calculations. It's about artistry. It's about storytelling. It's about giving form to your wildest dreams. Stay tuned as we keep a close eye on MACH's evolution. It's still developing, growing, learning from creators like you. And who knows? The next iconic character to capture our hearts might just emerge from a simple string of text. So, creators, what character will you bring to life? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's dream up our digital cast together. Project number 2, Video Drafter. Imagine having a film studio in your laptop where scripts come to life at a keystroke. Welcome to the world of Video Drafter, an AI-powered director that turns text into cinematic sequences. Video Drafter is a visionary framework, a fusion of a large language model's ingenuity with the prowess of a film editor. Give it a prompt, and watch as it drafts a script, scouts for virtual actors, and directs scene after mesmerizing scene. From the bustling streets of a neon-lit cyberpunk city to the serene vistas of a mountain retreat, Video Drafter shapes narratives with an artist's touch and a technologist's precision. The magic begins with a script, meticulously crafted scene by scene. Then, like a digital casting director, Video Drafter sketches the ensemble, creating reference images that set the stage for the action to unfold. But it's not just about stitching clips together. Video Drafter ensures that from the first frame to the last, there's a consistent narrative thread, a flow that keeps the viewer engaged and immersed. It's a tool for creators and dreamers, giving wings to stories that are only bound by the limits of imagination. Video Drafter is redefining the landscape of video creation, making it an ally to filmmakers, marketers, and storytellers. And as the digital curtain rises, Video Drafter stands ready to transform any text into a visual feast. It's your story, your vision, your AI-powered silver screen debut. So what's your vision? What story will you tell? Dive into the comments and let us in on the plot. With Video Drafter, the next epic is just a prompt away. Project number 3, Cerf. Let's move to the digital artisan's dream, Cerf. It's not just about adding a splash of paint to a canvas. It's the art of transforming the very fabric of a scene. Imagine being the architect of your reality, where every pixel bends to your will. Cerf does just that. by weaving depth-conditioned diffusion models into the tapestry of virtual worlds. It starts with a vision, a blueprint of change. Cerf takes your cues and, like a skilled sculptor, chisels away at the static, breathing life into the stagnant. With the finesse of a maestro, Cerf orchestrates a symphony of pixels, creating objects that dance to the rhythm of your scene's story. But it's not just about the new, it's about transformation. Edit existing objects, shift the narrative, and redirect the flow of the digital river. Cerf empowers you to take control. Whether it's a whisper of mist or the roar of a dragon, each element is at your command. This is your playground, and Cerf is your toolset. It's where imagination meets implementation, in the realm where creativity knows no bounds. So, creators, what world will you mold? What scenes will you craft? Share your ideas with us. With Cerf, your canvas awaits your command. Project number 4, DreamGoian 4D. Embark on a journey through time and space with DreamGoian 4D, where the frontiers of animation are not just pushed, but completely redefined. This is where the constraints of the digital world are left behind, and a new era of 4D content creation emerges, swift and boundless. Gone are the days of tedious frame-by-frame animation. DreamGoian 4D accelerates the creative process, turning hours into minutes, inviting you to witness the birth of motion in mere moments. It's not just about bringing objects to life, it's about sculpting time itself, crafting sequences that flow with cinematic grace. And it's not just the creators who benefit. Gamers, filmmakers, educators, anyone with a vision can now paint their narratives in the vibrant colors of 4 dimensions. DreamGoian 4D doesn't just animate, it breathes life into pixels, inviting them to dance in a reality that once existed only in our wildest dreams. So, what will you bring to life? A dragon's fiery breath? The delicate flutter of a butterfly's wings? The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Project number 5, 4K 4D. Prepare to be astounded as we unveil the marvels of 4K 4D, a vanguard in the realm of visual fidelity. With 4K 4D, every pixel tells a story, every frame a spectacle, delivered with the precision of real-time rendering. This isn't just about clarity, it's about capturing the essence of motion and detail that breathes authenticity into every scene. Imagine immersing in a digital concert, where every note is visible, or traversing virtual landscapes, where each leaf rustles distinctly. 4K 4D transforms the mundane into the extraordinary, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital content creation. The power of 4K 4D is not just in its technological prowess, but in its ability to bring creators and audiences closer to the pulse of digital life. Join the revolution where detail meets performance, where every frame is a window to a world as vivid as our own. Project number 6, Text-to-4D. Let's move to the cutting-edge world of Text-to-4D, a groundbreaking venture by Align Your Gaussians, AYG, that's revolutionizing how we bring textual descriptions to life. Imagine a realm where words are not just read but experienced, where every sentence springs into a vivid, moving reality. Text-to-4D uses an ingenious 2-stage process. The first stage, static 3D synthesis, leverages a multi-view text-guided latent diffusion model, MVDREAM, alongside a stable diffusion, transforming your textual inputs into a static 3D world. Then comes the magic of the second stage, dynamic 4D synthesis. Here, the motion is breathed into these static scenes, creating a fluid and lively 4D sequence. The secret sauce? Dynamic 3D Gaussians. These are not just mathematical constructs, but the architects of motion, dictating how scenes evolve and interact over time. This isn't just about animation, it's a symphony of visual storytelling. Align Your Gaussians ensures each frame is a coherent part of a larger narrative, making every moment in the video purposeful and engaging. AYG brings an exceptional level of detail and realism. The video doesn't just play, it flows, with each sequence meticulously crafted to align with the initial textual vision. The true beauty of Text-to-4D lies in its versatility. Whether you're looking to create an animated tale, a conceptual art piece, or a realistic simulation, the possibilities are limitless. This technology isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into a new era of digital creativity. Text-to-4D is more than just a tool. It's a canvas for the imagination, where the only limit is the breadth of your ideas. Join us on this incredible journey as we explore the realms of possibility with Text-to-4D. where text becomes motion and imagination becomes reality. Project number 7, SOSMPL. Let's move to the world of SOSMPL, a groundbreaking innovation in 3D character modeling that's changing the game for animators, game developers, and digital artists. This project, emerging from the intersection of technology and creativity, offers a new dimension in character creation. At its core, SOSMPL is about flexibility and realism. It separates the modeling of human bodies and clothing, enabling unprecedented control over each aspect. The level of detail is astounding, from the creases on the clothes to the subtlest expressions on the face. Imagine being able to craft a character down to the finest detail. That's the power of SOSMPL. It's not just about creating a figure, it's about breathing life into it. Whether it's for a high-stakes video game or a feature film, SOSMPL brings characters to life like never before. What sets SOSMPL apart is its foundation in the SMPL model, renowned for its effectiveness in 3D human body representation. But SOSMPL takes it further. It adds a layer of sophistication by allowing independent customization of clothing, which adheres perfectly to the body model. The potential applications are endless. Imagine a virtual fashion show where each model is a SOSMPL creation, flaunting an array of dynamic outfits. Or a virtual reality experience where users can interact with lifelike avatars, each clothed in distinct, customizable apparel. Behind SOSMPL's impressive facade is a blend of advanced algorithms and artistic vision. It's a testament to how technology can empower creativity, providing tools that push the boundaries of digital representation. With SOSMPL, artists and developers can sculpt and animate in ways previously unattainable, making every character not just a figure, but a story in itself. The beauty of SOSMPL lies in its detail. It's not just about creating a generic avatar. It's about crafting a character with its own identity. From the way a jacket sits on the shoulders to the texture of the fabric, every element is meticulously crafted. And with the animation capabilities, these characters don't just stand still. They move, they express, they tell a story. In the realm of 3D modeling, SOSMPL stands as a beacon of innovation, a tool that is not only transforming the industry but also empowering creators to bring their most ambitious visions to life. Join us in this journey of digital creation, where imagination meets reality. Project number 8, 3D Fauna. Let's move to the fascinating world of 3D Fauna, a groundbreaking project that's changing the landscape of 3D modeling. Today, we're diving into how 3D Fauna transforms 2D animal images into lifelike, three-dimensional models. 3D Fauna, developed by a team of visionary tech enthusiasts, stands at the forefront of 3D modeling technology. It harnesses advanced algorithms to create detailed 3D representations of animals from a single 2D image. What sets 3D Fauna apart is its unique image encoding process, which extracts essential features from a 2D image, and the innovative use of a Dino feature field, capturing the intricate details of an animal's shape, color, pose, and even lighting effects. Imagine animating a picture of your pet into a 3D model that moves just like the real thing, or reconstructing extinct animals for educational purposes. The possibilities with 3D Fauna are as boundless as the animal kingdom itself. 3D Fauna's prowess is backed by a massive dataset of animal images spanning over 100 species. This extensive training ensures the model's versatility and accuracy, capable of transforming even the most unique animal images into stunning 3D models. The technology behind 3D Fauna is truly revolutionary. It utilizes semantic inductive priors, a technique that aids the model in learning from a variety of images even when data is limited. This approach ensures that the generated 3D models are not just accurate representations, but also capture the essence of the animal's form and movement. The impact of 3D Fauna goes beyond the realms of technology and art. It opens doors for wildlife conservation awareness, virtual zoos, and interactive learning experiences. The developers continue to refine the model, aiming to include a broader range of animal species and enhance the model's capabilities in capturing dynamic movements. 3D Fauna is more than just a technological marvel. It's a gateway to a new era of digital creativity and environmental appreciation. It reminds us of the wonders of the natural world and our responsibility to understand and preserve it. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the cutting-edge developments in AI and 3D technology, bringing you closer to the future, one pixel at a time. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the latest in AI and 3D technology. Stay curious and keep exploring the limitless possibilities of innovation.